It's there in the news that hotel industry is definitely going to bounce back, and hotels are opening in Delhi and in other parts of India. What is the scope of hotel management in current scenario?
Shashi, the news, the screaming headlines that we have seen during this pandemic, that tourism and hospitality industry, in the holistic sense, it has been badly hit. Yes, there is no denying the fact that tourism and hospitality worldwide, I would use the word worldwide, is hit very badly. I think this is the sector which has the inclusion of local economies. It calls for the inclusion of all the workers, skilled, unskilled, from all the walks of life. That is the beauty, and that is actually the curse of this industry. So whenever any kind of pandemic happens, whenever there is any kind of unrest, whenever there is any kind of untoward situation in any geography or country, tourism and hospitality is first to be the hit. Now, there is always a silver lining. There have been numerous examples in the past. The industry has been very, very resilient. Come vaccine along the way, I think there will be certain development in terms of government easing up the travel restrictions. This industry is going to bounce back. You take my word for it. Most of the experiences in the past, they do indicate that we have bounced back. I think let's talk about the SARS scenario. Let's talk about the World Trade Center. And of course, the attack at the Taj Mumbai. So all these major devastating effects did had some impact on the industry, but then within a year's time, industry was back in place. And so we did follow. I think history is going to repeat itself. The industry, due to its resilient nature, is going to bounce back. Then of course, this time when it bounces back, there will be certain things into inclusion. Now there will be a shift into digital adaptation of digital technology.
Right.
Now most of the hotels and the tourism business, they are going to actually integrate the major part of their operation with the help of the digital technology. And of course, here it would be the migration of the usual approach to the contactless guest service. And that is the requirement of the current scenario. And this is going to continue. You see, this is going to continue till the time the guest is confident, they feel safe, and we are well above and beyond this pandemic situation. So every situation does have a certain tangential effect on the industry, and same effect is going to be the tourism and hospitality industry. It will rise like a phoenix. It will have certain new elements to it, and it will be better prepared for any kind of challenges for future. So I have a complete faith this industry is going to come back very soon as the vaccine is into place and the local travel is going to start, and definitely over the period of time even the international travel is going to start, and we will be seeing happy faces in this industry.